This one's for our fellow Navigator owners. The boats were discontinued in 2014. And the one thing about any boat is that they are constantly degrading and entropy and falling apart. And the emblems for Navigators are no exception. So these are domed foil labels that they had for them, and over time they get sun bleached. People accidentally buff them when they're waxing the boat, etc., and they just degrade. In fact, this one was off of the port side of the boat, and it was probably the nicest one of all of them. But they don't make Navigators anymore. Like I said, they stopped in 2014, and so getting these are near impossible, or they used to be. Because check this out. Prism Graphics here in the Pacific Northwest. Look what they made. Great box, little Prism thing here. Brand new reproduction. These domed 3D labels, and they are absolutely perfect. They're, I put these up side by side. They're exactly the same size, and they come in pairs. You can just get them for the Navigator emblem. They also have the model numbers, and they have them for all the model numbers as well. And they reproduced all of these for Navigator owners. So if this is something that you need on your Navigator to refresh and kind of spruce up the boat, springtime gift to the boat, these are now available. We'll put a link down below to Prism Graphics. Shout out to Brad Cole that made these for us. A great guy. And if you're a different type of brand owner and you need these types of things, reach out to Brad. I know they've got them for Tollycraft, and they can probably make them for any other boat brand as well if you can't get a hold of the ones for your boat. Hope this helps. Have a good one. Peace.